In the shadow of the night, I find my way. Hiding from the light, keeping love at bay. She's the ink that writes my dreams, so far so near. But the truth would break her heart. That's my greatest fear. Caught in a love trap with nowhere to go, running away from my feelings. But it's all I know. She's chasing after shadows, a song in the wind. But the closer she gets, the harder it feels. In the notes I leave my heart, a secret disguise. Yes, she hears my soul, not the tears in my eyes. Every melody, a whisper of love, so true. But behind the mask, I'm just a boy of love, caught in a love trap with nowhere to go, running away from my feelings. But it's all I know. She's chasing after shadows, a song in the wind. But the closer she gets, the harder it feels. Will she ever see the face behind the sound? The truth in the music that keeps her bound. Or will we stay lost in this twisted fate? Two hearts in love, but it's far too late. Caught in a love trap with nowhere to go, running away from my feelings. But it's all I know. She's chasing after shadows, a song in the wind. But the closer she gets, the harder it's been. In the end, will we find what we have sought? Or remain forever in this web we've caught? Caught in a love trap where the truth hides away. Loving from afar, it's the price we pay.